Welcome back, guys. Today we're taking a look at the Razer Viper V2 Pro. This is a full-size wireless mouse that has been designed for you pro gamers out there. A lot of thought has gone into the design of this product, resulting in a very lightweight and versatile mouse. Now, I'm not a professional gamer, but I do know that when it comes to being competitive, you have to seize every possible advantage in order to help improve your chances for victory. In this case, you need the lightest weight mouse possible for those really quick flicks and sweeps when playing your games. To accomplish that lightweight design, Razer decided to remove a few features from the Viper Ultimate, which helped them get the mouse down to an impressive 58 grams. So what did they remove? Well, on this particular model, there's no RGB. They decided to remove the right side buttons. The charging dock is not compatible with the V2 Pro. And also the DPI button has been removed and pretty much integrated with the power button on the bottom. So quite a few changes made to this mouse to keep the weight down. When you open the box, you get the actual mouse, a USB-C cable, a little dock adapter, and a wireless adapter. And we also get a set of grip tape, and last but not least, the product information guide. As for the design and build, the mouse has a pretty textured finish. It doesn't feel too slick, and they also included grip tape in the box if you find yourself needing some extra grip. On the bottom, you will find a single button that powers on the mouse as well as changes the DPI. Usually you'll find the DPI button on the top behind the scroll wheel, but again, they saw the removal of the button as another opportunity to get that weight down. Also on the bottom are updated PTFE feet that are meant to improve the mouse's overall glide. Performance-wise, Viper has really stepped up their game by including a new 30K sensor on this mouse. The new Focus Pro 30K optical sensor goes up to 30K DPI. It has a maximum acceleration of 70 Gs and can handle speeds up to 750 IPS or inches per second. And on paper, that means it should be able to handle the most intense and precise movements from gamers. With the V2 Pro, you're going to get approximately 70 hours of battery life. And another thing that Razer highlights is that this new sensor works on a wide variety of surfaces and even glass that is at least 2 millimeters thick. I will say that the scroll wheel kind of caught me off guard. It's not really what I expected for this price point. But again, I have to put myself in the mind of a professional gamer. I don't care how noisy my wheel is, I just want it to be quick and agile. I want to win at all costs. Functionality and weight reduction over everything with this offering. Okay, let's take a few moments to talk about the elephant in the room, and that's the price. The Viper V2 Pro has received some negative feedback over the higher price tag. The truth is that there are several alternatives out there that offer more features for less money. But once again, let me go back to the point of differentiating the difference between the casual gamer and the professional. There's a huge gap between these two levels. And no matter what field you're in, whether it be gaming, sports, or what have you, when you're gathering the tools of your trade, you are focused on functionality and efficiency, not so much on price. So overall, I'd say the Viper V2 Pro is pretty solid. It feels nice in your hand. It feels very fast and precise. It's lightweight. It's going to improve that efficiency, guys. So it really comes down to your budget and what you're willing to spend, how much you're looking to get out of your mouse, and what kind of features you're looking for. So that's going to do it for today.